Hi Teacher Readers, and I'm here at my local grocery store, and today I'm going to read you this really awesome book called Sneezenesia by Deb Lucke. Oh my gosh, she's already starting to sneeze. Dedicated to Elmer Ruff. Look, he's sneezing out the name of the book and the author. Oh boy. There once was a boy who sneezed so hard he forgot his own name. He sneezed so hard he forgot if his mom was black-haired or blonde, and if she wore glasses or not. Now where has he gone? He sneezed so hard he blew down aisle 3, and when he got up he no longer knew where he was or how he had gotten there. Achoo! Again and again his nose wrinkled up and went, achoo! Out came an 8, then a 6, then a 2. Followed by Squanto teaching the Pilgrims how to plant corn. And an entire hanky's worth of presidents. Bill Clinton, Richard Nixon, Abraham Lincoln, George W. Bush, Theodore Roosevelt, George Washington, and Barack Obama. So what, the boy thought, that's just the boring stuff they teach us in school. Then a Triceratops, a Tyrannosaurus Rex, and an Optiosaurus shot out of his nose with a roar. Whoa, even a Stegosaurus. And there's the Triceratops. They made a Jurassic mess all over the floor. Wait, he said, I like this stuff. His favorite baseball team was expelled from his head. He blew their socks right off their legs. That's okay. We don't need these Red Sox. We're in Seattle, and we like the Mariners. Then, and this is so sad, the lost little boy sneezed out Christmas. Just when it seemed nothing else could be left inside, he sneezed one more time. Look left, look right. Average body temperature is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Out came a puff of dust, a rubber band, and a few stray facts that had slipped between the lobes of his brain. The boy shook his head. Nothing rattled. Hey, he said. I stopped sneezing. Ew, look, lint. Yuck. The presidents, the pilgrims, the reindeer, the dinosaurs, and everything else he once knew stood there staring at him. But how do we get back in? He had no idea. None. Where he'd kept his thoughts, there was now nothing at all. His brain was like a tire with no pressure inside. With a hiss, it went flat. His eyes filled with tears. Things could hardly be worse. He was motherless, nameless, and practically brainless. It was enough to make a boy sniff a big, sorrowful sniff. Tear glands activated. The sniff delivered a rush of high-pressure air into the low-pressure area inside his head, creating a suction so powerful it sucked all his knowledge off the grocery floor. Whoosh went Santa, whoosh went a pilgrim, whoosh went a sock, right back up the boy's nose and into his brain. Whoosh went the Optiosaurus. But it had only gotten about halfway when, look, a raisin! The suction pulled his mother all the way over from the other side of the store where she'd been waiting in the deli line for a very long time. In one smooth move, his mother reached into her purse and pulled out a tissue and planted it firmly on her son's nose, just as the last bit of knowledge was making its way back into the boy's brain. Blow, she said. You've got a big green thing hanging out of your nose. And so it was that the boy who knew his name was Zach got all his memory back. Except that is for one big, green, slow-moving, plant-eating fact. Roar! And look, there's a warning. Don't spray when you sneeze. Always cover your mouth with the crook of your elbow or tissue. And remember to dispose of your used tissues properly. You never know what might be lurking inside.
Hey, thanks for reading this awesome book with me. And before I go, I'm going to tell you some really cool facts about sneezing. All right. Did you know it's very difficult but not impossible to sneeze with your eyes open? So next time you sneeze, try to pay attention to that. And sneezes have been clocked at speeds of 100 miles per hour. And did you know that that wet spray can travel up to 5 feet? And our noses produce 1 to 2 pints of mucus every single day. Ugh, that's so gross. And with it being cold and flu season, remember to constantly wash your hands and stay healthy. Bye, see you next time.